Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the MOECEN True Wireless Earbuds today. Now, these are stereo earbuds made from Honor Choice, a company, a sub-brand from Huawei. We're going to take a look at these earbuds in a lot of detail and see all the features that they do have to offer. Now, price is really good, under $40, 24 hours battery life, pure sound. One of the other things is that these do remind me of the Apple AirPods Pro clones, or just Apple Pro AirPods Pro in general. The ones that I have are the AirPod clones, but these also do have noise cancellation during phone calls and some nice features here. So we're definitely going to take a look at these in some more detail. Now, the startup process for looking at the box and unopening it is really simple. You could just read off in English that it does have dual canceling mics for calls, pure sound, wireless technology, Honor Choice on the side, MOECEN on the other side on the front, and you see the words Honor Choice. So let's just go ahead, open the package, see what this is actually all about. Actually kind of interested to see if this is actually from the company Honor or just a sub-brand of them. Now, you might hear police sirens in the background. I do live in the middle of New York City, right in the heart of it, the Bronx. So I live in the boogie down Bronx. If you live in New York, big shout out to you as well. But let's go ahead, and the box is going to be open right now. We're going to go ahead, pop it open, put the tray down right there. Here you're going to see that we do have the True Wireless Stereo Quick Guide for MOECEN. Then we're going to be looking at the manual information right here. So they do offer a quick guide right on top. The manual does include some information here about setting up and preparing the earbuds. They're going to say earbuds X1. You could do a factory reset by holding them for 10 seconds. And then you do have the option here for, you could press twice to play pause. It says right here, touch the left and right twice, press and hold the left or earbud for 2 seconds for the next song, and for the previous song you can hold that one for 2 seconds as well. You also do get hang up, answer, and reject phone calls on these earbuds, and you can get the voice assistant. Now, there is no volume controls here on these earbuds. However, you are getting indication on the battery for the charging case. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the charging case in a little bit more detail, and the earbuds as well, and kind of see what they look like. And first look out the box, you can see that they're really snug in the box. You get these really chunky, different shape. Stem is really short on these, just a really nice shape overall. I'm kind of fascinated here by the ergonomics and design choice that they used. Has that drum style but with the short stem, so I'm kind of really interested to see how these will lock in ear as well as overall fit in the ear. Now, pulling them out of the box, you are greeted with this really nice set of this case for the set of earbuds, the MOECEN Honor Choice, and we're gonna go ahead and pop these right out of the seal. Let's give you guys a little bit of unboxing pleasure there. So when you open up the case, you do see a red light for the charging indicator here. It's a blue light. Really simple case, milky white, basically really nice case here. You get the left one that you can actually let me just see how this fits. We're gonna put that in there for the first time. Oh, that fits really cool. It has a nice AirPod-y look, but just in its own way. I actually do like the way they did that. That looks really sick. Down at the bottom, we are getting your type. It looks like micro. I can't tell. We're gonna go inside of the box. Inside of the box, we are greeted with some more accessories here, and we're gonna go ahead, take this one out, and this is indeed Type-C, so that's actually a really good thing. I do love when companies include that Type-C cable. This is a Nice flexible short cable. Also inside of the accessory package is your ear tips included. We're gonna do a sound fit test and things like that, just to test out the nature of these earbuds and make sure that they sound pretty good. But right now I have my phone right next to me, to the left of me, and we're gonna go ahead, pop open the earbuds, unlock our device, which is right here in my left hand, go ahead into the Bluetooth, and actually go ahead and pair new device, what we're greeted with here. When we look here, I'm gonna pull out one of the earbuds just to see, and we do get earbud X1. Let's just go ahead and hit pair. So you don't even have to take them out of the case, they automatically pair to your phone 60% right out of the box. Let's see how the sound is when we're actually gonna be testing it for the very first time. I'm gonna do a fit test real quick just to see how these fit in my ear, but you can see we do get these replacement tips, which are silicons. We get some really small ones, medium. The ones that are on here are actually the mediums. These are the large and the small. Let's go ahead and put this in my right ear. Wow, that was a really good fit. Decent passive noise cancellation as well, just like I was thinking with that drum style. You also get that silicone tip, which gives a nice plug style when it comes to the overall locking mechanism and overall passive noise cancellation. These are really good. Out of a 10 for passive noise cancellation, I'd definitely give these a 9.5. Now, as far as the overall fit in the ear, these are really good. These are probably better than the Pros, to be honest. As far as fit, they lock in a lot better, having more of a drum style, so they're fitting a lot easier in the ear. So definitely got to say they did a really good job with this overall design. Now let's go ahead and test out the sound quality, but as far as design, I would give these a 9 out of a 10. Hey, what's going on, guys? These are the microphones coming out of the Earbud X1s, Honor Choice by MOECEN. I forget what the name of these are already. Now, let me know how the microphones sound. I see some cars passing by me on the right. I'm actually listening to music at the same exact time. Good passive noise cancellation. The bass is out of a 10, I'll give it a 7.5. Actually an 8. Give the bass an 8. Nice clear sound, good mids, good highs. Okay, so this is the microphones, the noise cancellation microphones for the Honor X1 earbuds. When I first got these earbuds, they were $34, but now they're $29 on AliExpress. And they have really good noise cancellation mics. I actually listened to the video back again, and I was listening to the mics. Let me know down in the comment section how the mics sound. So these are my final thoughts about the Honor X1 earbuds from MOECEN. So let's start with the build quality. Nice, decent case all around. And as far as the build quality, they're pretty decent. It's very similar to the Airpods case, just slightly bigger. Alright, so there's 6 reasons basically to get these, but the build quality on the case is really good. Now you're getting low latency, dual channel transmission on these. Basically, very little playback, if none. If you won't notice any playback on these. It's pretty much very low latency, no stuttering or any belly aches when it comes to watching videos and media. YouTube, Netflix, everything like that. 24-hour battery life. You're getting 6 hours talk time. I mean music time, 4 hours talk time. With the case, 24 hours. You're getting these really nice microphones as well, which have dual microphones, noise cancellation for calls, instant auto connection, and premium sound quality. And you're getting some really nice controls, but these also do offer Type-C. So $28, definitely could say that these are well worth it in the low budget earbuds market. If you're looking for entry pair of budget earbuds, definitely check the link down below. These are the MOECEN Honor X1s. Definitely like these. The battery's a little bit low, so I'm going to charge them. But I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every last one of you. And in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, later crew. Peace.